Alright guys, I've got a Weldon 7000 school bus flasher hooked up to my truck. So I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so here's the master switch over all that crap. And then there's Thomas built buses. We move people, whatever. Electronic 8-lamp school bus flasher. Hooked up to all my switches. And it is wired into my truck. Okay. Alright, now you pull the headlight switch out on this old Ford Bronco. Turn this on. If you listen, you might hear a beep. No, I don't know. It goes ding ding. And then you come out here. And then you see this. And then that's supposed to be high beam. I don't know how that. I got it wired right, so it should work like that. And then you make the high beams go on, or the low beams. I might have disconnected it wrong, but okay, I heard it beep again. You turn that switch up. That's for low beam, which is red. Alright, I got an issue. One's staying on. There's something wrong. Something wrong. Let's see if it does it now. It's still doing it. Yeah, I got an issue. Maybe if I hit the Weldon 7000, it'll... Wait, no, there's a fault somewhere because... Ah! I see it! Where is it? There's one that fell off. Where the heck did it go? It's touching something. See, left red is missing. Where did you go? Ah! Stop arm. Look at that. It was hooked on a stop arm. That's a nice fail for the video. Alright. Yeah, the connector's swapped on the stop arm. I know I didn't hook it up like that because it just worked a minute ago. Maybe I did. I don't know. That one, because I'm not using a stop arm because I don't got one. I'll get one eventually. Close this up. I'm not locking it. Ah, stupid. And redo it again. And the high beam should be back on. Now, we're getting somewhere. We'll show this again. This is upside down. I forgot. Okay, that's the yellow, supposed to be. I've got it on this Ford Bronco, 1978. Getting rid of it. But, and this is red. And it makes a beeping noise. Another beep. And there we go. Now it works. And that is low beam. So I hope you liked the video, and have a nice day.